Hey guys, welcome to another wonderful video. I will go straight to the point. Today we are going to be talking about this particular device, the MTN Fiber Broadband. It's different from the MTN 4G broadband router. Please take note. This device you can see here right now is free. You don't have to pay for this device you can see here. I will be talking about the fiber broadband, how to set it up in your area. For those of you that don't know what fiber internet is, it's basically like wired internet that MTN pretty much set up in your house. So these wired internets are known to be faster than 4G and even 5G. In some countries, I have some co-workers who use fiber broadband and they don't have issues with it. Another wonderful thing about fiber broadband is it's unlimited, right? You only pay for speed or bandwidth. It's not, you're not paying for maybe 1 gig that will last 1 week or 10 gig that will last, 1 month, something like that. No, you simply pay a particular amount per month and you get a particular speed. So that is how it works, and you get this device for free. Installation is also free. MTN is going to send someone to come and set it up in your area if the fiber internet is available in your area. Now, you're probably wondering, where are you at the moment? Well, this is MTN's website, mtn.ng. And before we go on, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make videos about money, about advertising, investing, a lot of things that would really help your life. So please click on the subscribe button and please turn on notifications so you can get notified when I make videos like this. Now, let us continue. So, this is MTN's website, and I think that some of the things that are overrated on this website is the fact that you can also chat with MTN support here. You have this icon, you can chat with MTN support. You can also come here to support section and click on coverage locator to find out if 5G or 4G or basically MTN services are available in your area. If you use this, it will pull up the map. You can enter your address and see if your internet is even going to be strong or MTN internet is going to be fast in your area. So again, click on support, click on coverage locator to see if MTN internet will be strong in your area. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to be talking about the fiber broadband device. Like I said, it's free. The device is free. Setup is free. Sadly, fiber is not entirely a global thing at the moment because they have to pass wires through some areas to deliver fiber service to you in your house. So there are some people in some cities that now have access to fiber internet. Sadly, some people do not have. Now, how do you know if fiber internet is available in your area or your street or your part of town? Well, first of all, you need to come to this page, mtn.ng, and then click on the fiber broadband service or just deal/fiber broadband. Then click on order now. When you click on order now here, it's going to pull up the page where you get to select your area. First, you select your state. So this is Abuja, Cross River, Delta, Enugu, Imo, Kaduna, Kwara, Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Rivers. These are basically the areas where you can find MTN fiber broadband service at the moment. Because like I said, they will have to pass wires through a major part of town to deliver this kind of internet to you. So you have to be in a major city or major part of town where these things are happening. For Abuja, for example, you have to be in Dawaki, Jabi, Jahi, just really the part of town where a lot of internet infrastructure is happening. So you have to check this place from time to time. It doesn't have to be just through this video, but check from time to time. See your part of town, see if that service is available in your area. If it is available in your area, it will just be super easy for you to, of course, set up the fiber service. So to tell you great service, I mean great news, it is available in your area. You can go ahead and order now. When you click on order now, that is when the real ordering starts. Like I told you, it's free, right? The device is free, but you have to select your state, you have to select your area, your street, of course, your full address as well. What plan do you want to set up? Is it 1 month or 6 months? I'd advise the 1 month to start with. What speed do you want to pay for? So this is basically the speeds they have. And these are really, really solid speeds, because if you're using this in your house, I think you'll be fine. Really, you'll be fine. You'll be competing with the likes of Starlink. I know some people, don't believe that, but I use Starlink. I've made videos about Starlink, and I can tell you for a fact that in most cases, most of the time, MTN is actually better than Starlink, especially when it comes to uploading. This is not a paid video. I'm just walking you through this. Again, I have made tons of videos about Starlink, and you can take a look, but really, really just set up here. You have to provide your NIN details as well. Put everything here, and in the coming days, MTN will reach out to you to set up the service in your area. So that's pretty much it. That is how to get your unlimited fiber service from MTN. Let me know if you have questions. I'm always willing to respond to everyone who leaves a comment, and I will see you around. Bye.